Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and you think I have a deja vu. No, I'm gonna explain everything. Okay, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams have a part 2. So it's the same amount of papers, 78 sheets in total. I think you all know the images and everything, but I'm just going to show you because what was going on. Let me first show you real quick what these papers are about. And for those who did not see the first edition of Tiny Kingdom of Dreams, then this is your time to watch these wonderful papers. Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. So it's baby related, but also for a different occasion. So what's the deal with these papers? A few months ago I ordered these papers, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams, and this was they delivered it, and I unpacked the first box, and I was right away, something is strange here. So I unpacked the first box, I unpacked the second one, the third one, all 13 ones, and I thought, this is not what I ordered. They were a bit yellow. So I put them in daylight, I walked outside, and it was not. I checked my computer, what is going on here? Did I order it on wrong papers? Because I'm human, I can make mistakes as well. But I ordered the same one as I always did. So something was off. And I thought, well, they are not that bad. I don't want to be a pain in the ass with telling them you did something wrong and everything. But so I slept a few nights on it and I watched them. And I was not okay with it. Nope, these papers are more expensive than you probably know. So I was thinking, I am not gonna put myself aside and telling them I'm okay with this, because it's not my mistake. So I emailed them, and they right away got back to me, and they asked me to make some pictures and some videos of it. And I did, and that took forever, of course. But at the end, they saw the mistake. They used a different kind of papers. They used recycled papers by mistake, and those papers are more yellow than the normal papers that I used. So that is why these papers are more yellow. Definitely more yellow than the original. So I was not happy with this, because what do I need to do with all these? I don't want these. And they gave me a great service. They told me they would produce a new this completely again for me. And they asked me, do you like us to pick up these papers, because these are our fault, our mistake, so you can send them back to us, or if you want, we are going to give you a great discount and you can keep them. So the first thought I was thinking, well, yeah, I picked them up, but then again, I already packed them out, and to do that all back again, you know my back, I have great troubles with my back, and I was thinking, I think I want to accept that discount. So I still had to pay a little amount for these papers, but it was acceptable. It was acceptable for me, because I think, why not make a small, low budget project for those who does not have an expensive high budget for my kids or for my papers. So why do I not make a small simple project and make the price very low for everybody acceptable? Because guys, really, these papers are still very, very nice. Yep, absolutely, they are not completely wrong, absolutely not. So that's what I accept. I accepted their offer, so I can keep these for a small amount. And then the other ones, you already know it's finished, and they were absolutely perfect. So, yep, thank you for this company. They gave me a great deal for this one, and they apologize. It was their mistake. So yeah, at the end, it's okay. So anyways, I'm gonna start a little tiny project with this one. We still have 78 sheets to use because I'm not gonna pack these smaller. Nope, I'm just gonna keep these as normal, but I'm not gonna use them all. But at the end, if you want to get this kit, then you will get 78 sheets. You still can make that project that I made earlier with these papers. You still can, but maybe you like this small project as well. So yep, it's a win-win situation. So I'm gonna start with that. I already have some small flowers picked, not that much, but just small ones. Also a few ribbons, and also I have some little things gathered what I still had left in my stash. So it's not that I had bought new things. No, it's just what I had in stash to make a low budget kit. So at the end, maybe you love it, maybe you hate it, but yep, that's the deal. All right, I'm gonna start, guys. I'm gonna start. So have fun joining me this project. Bye bye.